Hi, in this video I will tell you about the NOLE team that built the first decentralized ebook in the Tron ecosystem. NOLE team has been building on Tron since 2018 and since then they have had several projects. These days the NOLE team is rolling out their second chapter of the collection with female wolves, and it is going to be called Annepan FUD Spray. The wolves have fashion-inspired traits and they stand in the NOLE tower, that is the background behind them. And they also hold an anti-FUD spray. FUD stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And you can read the full story behind that and what exactly it does and how it was inspired in the NOLE community. To give you a little bit of context, Annepan is one of the admins of the NOLE team, and she is also a loving mother of 2 children. And her approach to work and creative mindset inspired this collection and this chapter with the Annepan anti-FUD spray. And now let's get back to how this collection of Annepan FUD Spray is related to the whole topic of decentralized ebooks and unique NFTs. It is a collection of 400 mintable and breedable NFTs. This means that in the future, if you hold 2 Debas Wulf Pack NFTs and 1 Annepan FUD Spray, you'll get a free mint of the Michael Baby Wolf NFT. This baby NFT comes with a decentralized ebook embedded into it as unlockable content. This book is written by Debas Wulf Pack, just like the first one, and he is one of the co-founders of the NOLE team, and he also has a lot of experience in the financial industry, over 10 years, and this new book is called The Spiritual Crypto Whale. With this collection of the Annepan FUD Spray, the NOLE team is participating in the 3rd season of the Tron DAO Hackathon that is held on November the 14th. You can mint your Wolf NFT and therefore also the first decentralized ebook in the Tron ecosystem on Craftly NFT marketplace. It is a marketplace for the Tron ecosystem, and I will leave the link how to do it in the description, but there is nothing too complicated, you just need to have the Tron wallet.